Born on May 9th, 1933, Leroy Colbert was an American bodybuilder who is generally known as the first man to achieve 21-inch arms in circumference. This was the result of years of hard work. It is said that Leroy started training as early as 10 years old. Although Colbert won only 2 bodybuilding titles, Mr. New York City in 1952 and Mr. Eastern America in 1953, he was well known due to his prominent status acquired from frequently appearing on the cover of many muscle publications. In fact, he was the first black man to grace the cover of Joe Weider's Muscle Power magazine. A November 1953 edition of Muscle Power listed Colbert's measurements as follows: 21.5-inch arms, a 52-inch chest, 32-inch waist, 28-inch thighs, and he weighed a lean 205. Unsurprisingly, his massive guns were first noticed by many, and Weider, who described Leroy as a quote-unquote monster, invited him to compete in the Mr. Universe contest. Unfortunately, bodybuilding was not Leroy's sole passion. An avid motorcycle rider, a freak accident caused a career-ending injury to Colbert's foot. Fortunately for devotees of physical culture, the end of Colbert's career did not result in him severing his relationship with bodybuilding. An early adopter of using the internet to spread training knowledge, Leroy shared his understanding of moving the iron via his websites and online videos, some of which showcased his outspoken personality and unorthodox cultural perspectives. He would also often hold court at his nutrition store in New York and later at his second shop in Sherman Oaks. Drug-free during his competitive bodybuilding career, Colbert relied on an intense, high-volume style of training to develop his massive physique. Rather than in the normal workout split, Leroy would train his entire body with at least 6 sets for each movement, and usually between 6 to 10 reps. Of course, the idea is that once you can exceed the rep range, you increase the weight. To give you an example, a sense of the type of training that Leroy followed, here's a blitz-style program from Leroy Colbert. Start with bench press, 10 sets, 8 reps, then bent arm lateral raises, 10 sets, 8 reps, lat pull downs, 10 sets, 8 reps, behind neck pull-ups, 10 sets, 8 reps, behind neck sitting press, 10 sets of 8 reps, standing lateral raises, 10 sets of 8 reps, alternate curls, 10 sets, 8 reps, standing barbell curl, 10 sets, 8 reps, bent arm pullover, 10 sets, 8 reps, and then finish with squat, 6 sets, 12 reps. For more of these lessons, this history of physical culture, click subscribe.